Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox this smartwatch that we found online. This is a replica of Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, we have some options here, starting from telephone reminder, telecommand, photography, start monitoring, messages, running, heart rate, care, alarm clock, waterproof, and calories, which are normal in smartwatches. And we have here power input, 117 mAh, 1.5-inch display. We have IP67 waterproof, and work time to last 10 days, which is a good thing. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we got here in the box. As you can see, we have again a replica of Mi Watch shape and bands as well. Not in quality though, but in looks it does look like a Mi Watch. You can see the watch itself. It looks like a Mi Watch, but it doesn't feel like so. Underneath we have this type of charger, which is not like a Mi Watch, but again is just a charger for this smartwatch. We have here the user manual in different languages, so it's very helpful for different states. This device has 128 kilobytes of RAM and some flash storage. We have sensors and vibrations, built-in Bluetooth, and this watch supports 4.4 Android and above, also 8.4 and later iOS, which makes it very useful. We have different options in the software, which we'll see. We have step count, calories, distance, sport modes, raise hand to brighten the screen, etc. We will see that all in this video. So let's go ahead and connect the bands. As you can see, we did this before with different smartwatches. You just have to click it in the place. You will find the hole to put this band. After it's connected with bands, let's power it on. As you can see, immediately we have a wallpaper from Mi Watch. Let's see what we have in the menu. In the right we have step count, heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. In the second page we have sleep motion mode, weather, and messages. We have music, stopwatch settings, and find phone. Also we have Bluetooth, photography, and power off. Only these options are in this smartwatch. Also we have different wallpapers or faces, and most of them are just like a Mi Watch, but the quality of the screen is not there. It's not brighter. You can see this one we saw in the Mi Watch, and we will see again. Let's go ahead and try these options, see how they will work. Start from the heart rate. Let's wait a couple of seconds, see how this heart rate will work. You can see right here we have some results, 64, 65, and this is not so fast, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and try now blood pressure. This one will last a little bit longer like usual, but we will wait for it as well. Now we have the result for blood pressure as well. Let's go ahead and try blood oxygen, see the percentage of the oxygen in our blood. Hopefully this one will not last like the other option and will bring the result faster. Let's see what it happens. We have now a result for blood oxygen. You can see the percentage. Let's go ahead and try some sports. We have here running, walking, swimming, climbing, indoor running, rope skipping, riding, badminton, football, basketball, and again running. So you can see we have quite a few options, but let's go ahead and press play. You can see the seconds going. We have burn calories, blood pressure, steps, and warm up. Also we have the distance and steps as well. At the top right you can see we have the time, so we know we can watch the time as well. So these are just a few options that we can test. You can see now here in the right we have the original Xiaomi Mi Watch. Let's change the wallpaper and make it the same, so we can make the difference there. You can see how much brighter the Xiaomi Mi Watch is, and the quality is better. And the right side we have 2 buttons instead of the 1. You can see it's a little bit thicker than the fake one. The Mi Watch is thicker. We have the port in the left side, which makes it obvious which one is better. You can see in the Mi Watch we have taskbar and menu. Also the rotation button works in the menu, and in the fake one it doesn't work. You can see you can just turn on and off the watch, but it doesn't work. So obviously the Mi Watch, the quality of the Mi Watch is better. We have better glass and metals, but again, for cheaper version this one is quite good. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.